Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to host your website on a subdomain in Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Your Hostinger account, then go to websites. Here you will see this list of the available websites on your hosting account. And to create a website on a subdomain, first click on Add Website. Here, there are many platforms that you can use to create your website on a subdomain. You can create or you can use Hostinger Horizons, which helps you create web apps. You can also create your or you can also use WordPress to create your website on a subdomain. You can use Hostinger Website Builder, which is a free website builder that comes with Hostinger that I highly recommend. I highly recommend for basic websites. You can also create a custom PHP or HTML website on a subdomain. For this video, I will go with custom PHP/HTML website. By the way, going this route of creating a custom PHP or HTML website still allows you to create a WordPress website later. So here you need to fill in the subdomain that you want to use. For example, in my case, I will go, for example, with, WordPress .benstutorial.com. Wait a moment. Do you own this domain? Yes, use it. Here, before clicking on this next button, you can also create your website on a subdomain using a temporary domain, which Hostinger gives you if you don't own a domain or subdomain yet. Now click on Next and wait a moment. And just like that, my new website is created on a subdomain. They are now still installing SSL for me. It's completed now. Let's give my website a visit. As you see, this is my subdomain, wordpress.benstutorial.com. It still shows this landing page, this default landing page. To delete this one, it's simple. Just to go back to the website dashboard, go to Files, select File Manager, click on Access Files of your subdomain. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger Horizons, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Double click this public HTML folder, and then click on this default.php file with the right button of your mouse, like that. Select delete, click on delete again, and now if I refresh this page, nothing shows up because I have in a single file on my subdomain location. To upload your HTML or PHP website, it's simple. Just click on go back to the file manager app, I mean this page, click on this upload icon or button, select file or folder depending on your situation. In my case, my website or my subdomain website is a single file website, so I will click on file, This is my single file, index.html. Double click it to upload it to your to file manager. Now, if I refresh this page, I will see the content of this file, which is this single line that says, this is my HTML website. Now, to install WordPress on this subdomain, first I will delete this file. You can keep this file and install WordPress on top of it, but to avoid any confliction, I will empty my subdomain for me and then try to install WordPress. To install WordPress, just go back to the dashboard of your website, this page, go to website and select auto installer. You can create or you can install on your subdomain. You can install many content management systems like WordPress, WooCommerce, Joomla, and other CMSs. Now, to install WordPress, click on select. This window pops up. Fill in your website title, for example, Ben's tutorial blog. Here, you fill in your administrator email, username, and password. For the username and the password, make sure to remember them because you will need them later to access your website dashboard. Click on next, close this. Here I always recommend you to use or to install or to select the latest WordPress application or version for security. Select your website language from this long list, then click on install. And just like that, my WordPress is successfully installed on my subdomain. Instead of giving it a visit from this little icon, let's refresh this page. And now my WordPress is successfully installed on my subdomain. And this is how to host your website on a subdomain. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.